Stop wasting money on apps you don't even need. Most Americans are quietly losing hundreds every year on subscriptions. And the crazy part, there are free apps that do the same job. Today I'm showing you the best free apps people are ignoring that can save you up to $500 a year. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. If you like smart ways to save money using tech, you're in the right place. Let's get straight into it. First, replace paid budgeting apps with mint alternatives like Rocket Money or NerdWallet. Most people pay for budgeting tools or never track spending at all. These free apps link your bank accounts safely. They show where your money is going in seconds. You can even cancel subscriptions directly inside the app. That alone can save you $10 to $50 every month. Next, stop paying for cloud storage. Use Google Drive or Dropbox basic plans instead. You get free space right away. Photos, documents, backups, all covered. Most people pay for extra storage they barely use. Quick tip, clean your files once a month and you'll never need to upgrade. Third, cut your streaming bill. Try free streaming apps like Pluto TV or Tubi. Yes, completely free. They have movies, TV shows, even live channels. You might not get the latest releases, but you'll still find tons of content to watch. Many people keep Netflix, Hulu, and others running together. Switching even one of them to free options can save $15 a month instantly. Fourth, use free fitness apps instead of gym subscriptions. Apps like Nike Training Club or Fit On are powerful. They offer full workout plans, guided sessions, and no cost. No commute, no membership fees, you can work out anytime at home. This can easily save you over $300 a year. Fifth, replace paid note or productivity apps with Notion. Notion is free and insanely flexible. You can plan your day, track goals, manage work, everything in one place. Many people pay for multiple apps when one free tool can handle it all. Here's a bonus most people miss. Use Honey or Rakuten when shopping online. They automatically find coupons and give cash back. You don't need to search for deals anymore. Just install it once and let it run. It's like getting paid to shop. Look, saving money doesn't mean cutting everything you enjoy. It just means being smarter with the tools you use. Small changes like these can easily save you hundreds every year. If this helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more smart tech tips. And drop a comment telling me which app you're going to try first.